Brooke Barrows was born in the United States. She was born and raised in Los Angeles, California. She is currently living in Los Angeles, California, United States. Brooke Barrows was in the top 4 out of 16,000-plus models who competed for the Face of Torrid 2016. Brooke Barrows is currently signed by Dorothy Combs Models and other modeling agencies. Brooke Barrows stands 5 feet 8 inches tall or 172 centimeters. She weighs 97 kilograms or 216 IBS. She has a beautiful brown hair and green eyes color. Marital status: single. Nationality: American. Though the official net worth is still unknown, it's easy to assume that Brooke Barrows is making a decent amount of money at a very early age. As per a report, the estimated net worth of Brooke Barrows is around $500,000 to $1 million, which is enough to lead a decent lifestyle.